The easy way to lose weight. When people seek my help as a hypnotherapist to help them lose weight, they often want me to make them lose weight. Hypnotists cannot make anyone do anything against their will. However, hypnosis can help a person become their ideal size and shape by accessing and reprogramming the subconscious part of the mind. Hypnosis can help you to lose weight by eliminating bad habits and creating positive new ones, helping you overcome negative feelings such as low self-esteem or lack of confidence, feeling satisfied with smaller portions of food, reminding you to eat slowly and consciously, drinking more water and moving your body more, choosing healthier food and beverage choices. What is hypnosis? Hypnosis is a natural altered state of awareness that everyone goes through at least twice a day. Once when you are falling asleep and once again as you wake up. This trance-like state is also achieved when you are absorbed in a good book, watching a movie, driving a car, engaged in a repetitive task or daydreaming. When you are in hypnosis, the critical factor, the barrier between the conscious and the subconscious mind, can be bypassed and you can give your subconscious mind direct suggestions. Your subconscious mind is an order taker and must carry out whatever you tell it, over and over again. It is your subconscious mind, your imagination and your feelings, that is the key to getting what you want. You can choose to either focus on everything that you don't want, such as being sickly, out of shape or tired. Or you can give attention to the things that you do want such as health, fitness and vitality. Your subconscious mind does not care, as it does not judge anything. It is an order taker and will give you more of what you tell it, over and over again. So, why is that some people reach their ideal body shape and size so easily and joyfully, while others suffer from food cravings, feelings of being deprived or even punished? Why is it easy for some and so hard for others? The answer is hypnosis and the power of suggestion. The easy way to lose weight is to repeat a suggestion that feels good while in the trance-like state. This will allow the suggestion to go into the subconscious emotional part of the mind, and by accepting to either strengthen or replace the previous programming. Here is my number one tip for losing weight. Repeat a statement that makes you feel good about your desired body size and shape. But add the words, I am in the process of, to whatever you want. This will allow the conscious part of the mind to believe it. Say it to yourself as your first thought when you are just waking up in the morning or as the last thought as you drift off to sleep. Have fun and create some of your own statement or use some of mine. I am in the process of becoming my ideal size and shape. I am in the process of becoming lighter and lighter and thinner. I am in the process of becoming the healthiest and slimmest version of myself. Repeat your statement over and over again and enjoy the good feelings that come along with the statement as you become your ideal size and shape. Or you can do it the hard way and repeatedly tell yourself at every opportunity that losing weight is going to be hard. And I am going to be irritable without my treats, rewards such as alcohol, chips and sweets. And I will be forced to starve myself. So, if you want to lose weight the easy way, consider hypnosis and the power of your mind to get you what you want. Helena Jehnichen, Certified Clinical Hypnotherapist. www.flourishhypnosis.com